This man Googled how soon can you remarry after a spouse dies? What happens to death after a spouse dies? What happens if a spouse disappears in Virginia? Months later, his wife went missing.
Her mom is also asking for me. I don't know where is she.
On 28 July 2024, Mamta Bhatt, a nurse living in Virginia with her husband Naresh and their child, was active on TikTok, and this video was the last one she posted on the platform. Mamta was last seen on 29 July. Her husband said he last saw his wife on 31st July after she had cooked dinner. The next day, he assumed she went to work as usual. Between 1st August and 2nd August, Mamta didn't show up for work, so her manager called the police to conduct a welfare check at her house. But when the police reached the house, Naresh said,
She left and then she says she's gonna go either New York or Texas, and then she left, she had the phone and then she destroyed that phone and then she left.
She said she was going to New York.
Yeah, her sister.
But prosecutors alleged that Mamta had no biological family in the US.
Did she say why she left?
Yeah, because we are about to separate and then the home inspection come here I'm about to sell the home. So, she wanna say okay, I wanna go, with my sisters. Yeah.
Naresh had served as a police recruit with the Fairfax Police Department and worked as an automated logistics specialist in the Army Reserve in the past. According to Mamta's friends, she had left the house twice before due to disagreements with Naresh.
It's not like first time she disappeared and then came back. I live with my parents over there. She said okay, I'm not gonna live with your parents.
On 5th August 2024, Naresh filed a missing complaint about Mamta. On 22nd August, he was taken into police custody as he had already been considered a person of interest in the case after his answers during the routine check raised suspicions. Prosecutors described the house to be disheveled and chaotic. They said a suitcase was packed and Naresh's passport was handy. Investigators said they found blood in the bedroom and bathroom. They added that they got evidence when Naresh was seen at a local Walmart purchasing 3 knives with 2 unaccounted for. From the next day onwards, he was seen buying cleaning supplies, said the prosecutors. They believed that just after Mamta's disappearance, he discarded a blood-stained bath mat and bags into a trash crusher. Blood found at the couple's home matched Mamta's DNA, and the investigators suspected that she had been killed, dragged into the bathroom and dismembered. They said that she was killed on 29th July, the day she was last seen. Naresh had been indicted on charges of murder and defiling a dead body. While Naresh's lawyer alleged that Mamta was still alive, the police believed he was involved in a murder based on the evidence they had uncovered. Prosecutors were continuously building a strong case against Naresh. He was scheduled to appear before the court to face the new charges at the time of publishing this report. But Mamta's body was still missing.